Hello everybody. I have this earring that I made and I want to share you how I made this. So my materials: superduo, bead, seed bead size 11. I have also diamond deuce and hematite size 4 mm. I have an earring hook. I have 8 mm pearl and fire polish size 3 mm. And this is the thread I'm going to use. And let's begin. I pick up 2 beads, 2 superduos, 2 beads, 2 superduos, 2 beads, 2 superduos, 2 beads, 2 superduos. So I'm going to pass through all the beads. And then pass through the O beads, the superduos, and I'm exiting at the bottom hole of the superduo. Then pass through the top hole. Then I can cut my tail. Pick up the diamond, then hematite, pass through superduo, diamond, hematite, hematite, then diamond, then hematite. Then pass through the diamond. We're exiting at the bottom hole of the diamond, so we are passing through the top hole. Pick up 111, for polish 111, then pass through the hematite, then 111, for polish 111, pass to the diamond, 11, 11, for polish 11, pass through hematite, 11, for polish 11, pass through diamond, 11 for polish, 11 pass through hematite, 11 for polish, 11 pass through diamond, 11 for polish, 11 pass through hematite, then pass through diamond, then pass through 11 for polish, 11, then hematite, 11, for polish, then 11, then pick up 5, 11, pick up 5, 11, pass through the 11, the 4 polish, and the 11, pass through hematite, 11 for polish, 11, and we pick up 5, 11, and pass through 11 for polish, 11, and we're going to do adding 5 11 seed beads at the tip of the this diamond and this diamond. So I pick up 5 11, pass through 11 for polish, 11, I'm exiting 1 2 3 4th, the 4th 11, pick up 2, 11 and the superduo, and then 1, and then 3 11, so 2 11 superduo, 3 11, then pass through the superduo, pick up 2 11, pass through, and pass through the 2 11 superduo, then we exit, then pick up 5 11, pick up 5 11, pass through 11, then just pass through one more time to reinforce, then pass through 11 superduo, 11. So we have to pass through all the seed bead, all the beads here until here. We are exiting 1, 2, 3, and the fourth. Pick up 5, 11. Then the pearl. Pick up 3, 11. Pass through the pearl and pass through the third 11. Pick up 2, 11. Pass through. I'm going to just pass through one more time just to reinforce my project. I'm going to just make my double knots here. Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who joined, thank you so much. Because I'm gonna make another 2 more knots so I can cut my before I cut my thread. It's beautiful. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who joined, thank you so much. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody.